What's going on? What's popping? What's crack-lacking? Let's get it. Back with another banger today. And yo, we got that one. As y'all know, a couple different videos. I did a couple different back to school pairs. And this is one of those back to school pairs. This is one that you can rock. I know it's crazy to call this a back to school shoe, but yes, this is a back to school shoe. And man, this is a crazy shoe. And I just don't know whether the generation is moving towards comfort. Cause back in my generation, we didn't care if a shoe was comfortable. As long as it was the hottest shoe out, we was rocking. We didn't care about comfort. But these kids nowadays want comfort over fashion, and I'm telling you, these shoes that they rocking, you wouldn't believe it. And shout out to New Balance, cause New Balance coming through with the heat. And I'm telling you, these colorways, these collabs, and the quality, New Balance hands down have some of the best quality shoes. And I'm telling you, with this one right here, y'all gonna love it. But enough of the chit chat, enough of all that. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, make sure you hit that notification bell, and hey, do me a favor, share it. Share the video. Let's get notified. Let's get these notified. Let's get this out. Let's share this. Back to school fire all day. And yes, here we go. We here with it. We here with it. We here with it. We here with it. I don't know if y'all really up on these, but y'all might be. But let's get into it. Let's get into it. Bam, bam, bam. This is just another colorway of a video that y'all probably seen already that's dropped. Yeah, it's dropped already. But it's another colorway. Let's get it. Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's go. Damn. Ooh-wee. This colorway is crazy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the New Balance 2002 R Sweet Caramel. Yes. With all the muted colors that's coming out with everything, this just plays into that very well. If y'all know, New Balance is known for their gray. They always keep some gray on something, on every shoe they got. They always got some gray going on. So I think this sweet caramel color with this gray is great. This quality of this suede is crazy. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? The quality on this is crazy, man. It's just crazy. Like, I don't know. It's soft, pliable, and it's feel like a shoe you can beat up, man. These is one of them shoes you can beat up. So if you looking for shoes for y'all kids, for y'all, for back to school, for whatever you got going on, this would be a great shoe, and it's very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. I do have this in another color, but this is one of them ones that I will be keeping in the collection. And yeah, I wasn't expecting to like dad shoes. I don't know. I'm just not that, just wasn't that guy. But the older I get, the more I walk, the more I'm in places, the more I just want comfort. Y'all already know it's quality over quantity. So hey, we just going with quality nowadays, man. Quality that's gonna last long. It ain't gonna cost you an arm and a leg. I think these ran about $140. It's not an arm and a leg. That's a decent price. You got kids, that's a hell of a steal for a shoe. $140, that's not bad. You gotta think Air Force Ones and all that is jumped up to $110, and the ones that got real quality are $150. So you have to think on what's gonna last. And the Air Force One over this, I mean, the lineage of the Air Force One is great, but the lineage of this 2002 is great too. The lineage of New Balance is great. They have a bunch of different styles, and I'm telling y'all, for back to school, New Balance is going to be the way to go. So do me a favor, like I said before, hit that subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and yeah, the New Balance 2002R Sweet Caramel. Yo, this your boy Blacked Out Kicks. Do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.